The next question was a solar portal located in the industrial area immediately south of the current police station, in other words, the Clapham yards, has not been selected as this area is going to be resumed to store equipment and waste from the digging of the tunnel. That's the industrial land the other end of the station. This option would avoid resumption of all residential properties without affecting the Clapham yard, Clapham rail yard. Can you provide all technical reasons and details as to why such a possibility has been eliminated?
Well, this one's quite a complicated one, so I think we might be able to better talk it through this image. Now, this is the preferred option with the portal. And the portal in this, the Yoronpilly option, is at that point there. So from north of that, everything is below ground, it's out and it's above. Now, the option which is suggested is, well, why isn't the portal down here in the industrial area around Lucy Street and Station Street? Now, the problem with putting a portal down here is we still have the dive structure, and the dive structure, as you saw previously, is about 300 metres. That station platform there is about 250 metres, so you have to tack that on the end anyway. Some of the other features, and those who know the area, one of the real benefits of our Yoronpilly option is that Carter Street here is rising ground. So, and also that's where the rock is. So we know we have rock here and rising ground. If we come down here, we don't have rock and we don't have rising ground. So that length of construction before we can get into tunnelling is longer. So if we had the portal here, we'd still have, even without a station, we'd still have some significant length of where we'd be doing a cut and cover type construction, because it's just too shallow and there's no rock. So even with the portal there, we did find that there were property impacts up here because of the means of constructing the tunnel. If you did put a station, Yoronpilly station here, again, the station would still be in the zone. And if you recognise it, if you've got a station, the track's got to be flat. So you can't start diving into rock if you've got a tunnel there. So again, if the portal was here and a lower underground sort of Yoronpilly station, we're flat and we're still up here. So from that feature, it wasn't particularly attractive. And of course the other big feature with the portal here is that it's still got to get this overpass. And our option here, we've got Prospero rail tracks here, and there's the existing suburban tracks which are realigned. So we have to get Prospero rail tracks over suburban tracks. And on our option that we're currently progressing with, it really starts back here, just at the end of the station. So that infrastructure would have to be pushed further south as well. And before you know it, you're towards the end of the Clapham yard. So this overpass structure which comes in here is all pushed down there, and again, we can't really get on the Clapham yard.